for clicking on this link. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make Nigerian style tacos. Let me know how you guys like your tacos while I show you guys the recipe on how I make my tacos. Last week we just had Taco Tuesdays at home. I shared this with my housemates and the recipe was bomb. Let me know how you guys like yours in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you guys like my content or my recipe videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you guys like my content and support a sister. And also please leave a comment if you make your tacos at home. What recipes do you guys use? For one, I hate cilantros in my tacos, so let me know what you guys hate and what you guys like in your tacos. Alright, let's get to the video. Okay, so how was it? Did you guys like the tacos? Did you guys like the recipe? Are you gonna try it? If you are gonna try it, let me know in the comment section below. And if you try it, come back and tell me what you experienced when you tried it and how it was, how it turned out. Let me know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Dubem loves y'all and she's always gonna be giving you guys the sauce. Anyways, I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye.